Look at that, JJ.
These ones are for me.
No, those one of them's for Jay. Jay, come in here. Look at Santa came.
Whoa, those are lost. Stuff. Hey, we got our 2D2. That's for you. That one for me.
Oh my goodness, R2D2. Aren't those nice?
I got another one.
We'll open disc so we can wait for Papa and everyone until we can have the bigger present that we can open the R2D2 now. Oh my gosh, lots of little parts. Lots of little parts.
I have it.
Want to have it?
Yeah. Mine.
There's an R2D2 for JJ.
How do I open mine?
That's some kind of name, actually.
Yeah, it is, but
Who's lying? Hey, look it! Lego!
Yeah! Can you fix him? Here, William. Why don't we play with our R2D2s for a moment? Do you want to play it so we can walk?
Oh. Spaceship.
Oh, somebody.
Look at spaceship.
Who do you think that's for?
Spaceship.
Who's that for?
Skywalker.
I think
Skywalker.
Skyrocker, Luke Skywalker.
I think Santa knew what you guys would like.
JJ woke me up saying, Santa Claus comes, Santa Claus comes, Santa Claus in spaceship. When really, when you think about it, it's probably true.
Guys,
Santa
it's
would
not
move up.
Star Wars.
What?
It's just, look at.
That one might be for JJ because it's for a little guy. See, it's Fisher Price. It's for a little guy.
But you know what? These things are for big guys.
Are you trying to claim both? Yeah. Is this a campaign for
They're
I'm a
the
big
same
guy?
thing, that they have a lot of pieces.
I know, but one of them is for JJ and one of them's for you. Look at their stormtroopers.
These have a lot of pieces.
Yes, they do.
But these are not for Jay because these are just for me.
I think you're gonna need to share them a little bit.
Jay's play with that.
Jay's getting bigger now, though. He can build things too when he wants to. But I know you're a great builder. You're a very good builder.
Let's come on, Daddy.